This is our vlog that we're gonna post, I guess, Sunday. This basically, Brianna, what this is a re-upload plus behind the scenes of the, what was it when we went to that scary building? Was it a couple of weeks ago we went there? Was it 2 weeks ago? Yeah. So basically, this is basically I re-uploaded that with some behind the scenes that are included in that. And yeah, there was this, I don't know, when I was editing, I left some stuff in that video and I didn't want to really have it out there. Cause sometimes I edit on the fly, just, you know, got so much going on and we were just trying to put out daily vlogs. And usually when it happens is I try to get my, you know, editing out of the way because I got so much work I got to do and I don't want like YouTube hobby interfering with like family time and work and all that and education. And sometimes I'll just screen through the editing, and there was just some things I just didn't want put out there, so I just took it down and figured to re-upload it and then include some behind the scenes and go from there. And we're trying to venture on with some like scary things at least once a week, you know, doing some scary adventures, but mainly keep it family friendly content for everyone. As I know we have different age groups, we have the younger and the older, so we're trying to be able to target both now. You know, instead of trying to just target the older, we're trying to target both at the same time. So some videos will be for the younger, some videos will be for the older. So that's how that's gonna go. What is that thing? It looks like a beach ball. Oh, that's pretty neat, huh? Well, I guess your tutorial, whatever it is, will be in, I don't know if it's gonna be included in this vlog or the next vlog. I don't know if this is gonna be, I don't know, whatever it is, whatever I think it might be. So it might be in this vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna put the Hornet building separately from this or if this will be all together, I don't know. We'll see how that works. You're not into Chuck E. Cheese anymore, are you, Brianna? You have a little sister. Don't you ever want to give her a little bit of support emotionally, like Chuck E. Cheese? I mean, you gotta look at it that way. You don't look at it just, you're the only teenager that lives in this house. You have a younger sister. So I just wonder if you ever think about like Chuck E. Cheese, because I think that's where I want to go with Caitlin and her friends.
No, I don't. I'm gonna be doing nothing if I go though. She's not gonna play with me. She's gonna go do her own thing though.
You sure?
Yes.
I don't know. Then you said you might be sick, so then I don't want to leave
Again.
You here sick by yourself.
I don't think I'm sick anymore.
Because Brittany's at work.
I don't think.
So you think you might be sick?
Not anymore.
Not anymore?
I don't know if it's a stuffy nose or not.
I don't know. You gonna get your dress on?
What is that?
I don't know. I went to this this store and I got like
You got
a dinner.
mozzarella.
Food. I got lots of food. You and I can eat this stuff later.
I have to redo my hair. I'm reading this.
Oh. You and I can eat this later. Oh gosh.
Mozzarella?
You want to eat it with me later?
What is it?
I gotta make sure.
It?
I gotta. My head and neck hurts.
Don't put it on. What is it?
Don't. What's that? Is that anything important?
That's Caitlin's.
Okay. All right.
What is it?
Smells good. You want it?
No. Wait, what is it? Wait, what is it? Ew! Oh my god!
What? Say it.
Oh my god, it's alive! That's so mean! Are you gonna kill that and eat it?
Look at it. Sam?
Oh my gosh. Is it gonna hurt me if I touch it? Is it gonna like pinch at me?
No, it's got things on the claws. It's not gonna be able to pinch.
What's up?
Stop! Daddy, don't! No, I'm not touching it. You're gonna do something.
It's right there. I gotta put him in some water so he can move around. He needs water.
Daddy, I'm scared. Oh, that felt weird. Okay.
I gotta.
Find some water for this.
I know. I gotta keep him in water.
I have to go do my hair.
You have to do your hair?
Yeah, and do my makeup. Are you gonna fill it up? Like push down the thing.
It needs something to cool them down.
Don't flush them down the drain.
They like to be cool. They'll come back to life when they.
Who are you? You've been down this street like 6 times. Running, go away.
Oh boy. That's you messing with the light. When you go to this dance thing, you want to go to the that haunted place. The 200-year-old building. It's got the. It's a little, you know. Feel it out. See how you feel. Maybe. I know it's kind of like we're both thrill seekers, so I feel like this is the perfect opportunity to go over there and see what's in there because everybody says the place is haunted. And it's built like 18 or 17 or 18 something. I don't remember, but based on what people say, so it may be something good. Because you know what? If we're gonna be looking around for stuff like that, we might as well do it at other places and not in this house. You know, like no Ouija board in this house. And if we're gonna do anything like that, old house, or we go to this haunted building, then we can go to maybe the haunted house sometime this week. Just do just fun things, you know what I mean? Just
oh yeah.
It, you know. So.
Fix my shorts.
All right, so you're gonna be doing some dancing, having fun with your friends, because everybody wants us to go back in those woods just to see what's back there. I think it's all over with. I don't know. That's what a part of me thinks because with them the food in the air like that. I mean.
Weird.
Oh yeah, and speaking, people are like curious about that antenna on the roof, so I'm gonna show everybody the radio room that I got and all that stuff. But when you get back from this party thing, yeah, we gotta at least go out there and kind of do our thrill seeking because I know it's kind of something.
Okay.
Are you on Lively or anything?
No, I'm making my phone take pictures.
All right, is there like why is the doorbell ringing? Remember the last time the doorbell rang, and I went there and there was nobody there.
I like 12, but. Oh yeah, I remember.
Alright.
Well,
I gotta go see what it is.
But I'm just gonna have my arms like.
Oh my gosh, let me go see what it is. Alright, Brianna, so hope you guys have fun with your little teen party thing.
I usually can't see myself.
Well, if you couldn't see yourself, that means you're a vampire.
No, like I'm always so short in that mirror. I can never.
Oh, I get it.
Hustle and bustle. I'm cold.
I know. Right, I don't know. Some crazy stuff can happen out here. I'm about to enter a building that's was built in like the 1800s, late 1700s. I have to actually research it more. But based on what people say around here, that this place is haunted. And I'm just gonna look around because you can hear like voices in there when there's nobody in here, and it's just creepy when you hear voices and stuff, you know. I don't know. You still down there, Brianna? You still there? Oh my God! Did you hear that? Where are you? I can't see you, Brianna. Hold on. Where you at? I can't. My phone just went off. I can't. Oh my gosh! Hold on. Wait. I'm blinded. Brianna, I can't see where I'm going. Oh, what? I got it. What is it?
I'm scared.
When we're at the house, you're not that scared. You're scared here.
This isn't my home.
Yeah, but that is weird. All right, let's just. I'm on my way. Whoa. Where you at, Brianna?
Here.
I can't see you. It's like you can hear voices down here. Ow. I don't know. I know, we gotta
I'm hoping I'm not forgetting anything.
get back. Brittany said she needed some stuff at the house. Caitlin is tired. This walk.
To the car?
Yeah, we're walking there. 'Cause I was gonna go down there, but you know we could save that for another time because there's some stuff back in there. You know what I mean, Brianna? Another time, maybe? I need to get home because Brittany needs some stuff in the store. So we need to get a few things, Brianna. All right.
My feet hurt really bad.
You all right?
I'm wearing heels. They're squeezing my feet.
Because you wanted to do, go with your friends to this dance thing, and then I was telling you, like, where this haunted place is, like, right near there. I was like, oh, you guys wanted us to go to a haunted place, so we decided, you know what? Because Brianna was going right near one, and this is the best opportunity while we're out, so. All right, Brianna.
Huh? Yes.
So you were really scared back in the old, like, the hallway of that place.
Okay, when that happens,
You were really scared, Brianna. You weren't messing with me?
No.
Because you seem pretty brave at the house, and then I bring you here.
This isn't our house, though.
I know, but still, you're dealing with the same kind of stuff that you were dealing with playing with that Ouija board.
This isn't my house. I'm not in my comfort zone.
There's some houses back in here. Some of them are really old.
There's a creepy room.
I know, back in there. We'll just have to take a tour back in there, and we'll see what we can find. We should probably go in that house right there. What do you think?
Someone probably lives there.
No, that one right there, it's like condemned, ain't it? We go in there. Did you hear what people were saying about that one?
No.
No? Well, I'll tell you later. There we are.
Oh, hi.
Each and every one of you are completely amazing, and we love each and every one of you. And we wouldn't be doing these videos if it wasn't for you guys. And we're gonna try to, like I said, keep mixing up content and trying to bring out, different things to YouTube. Some funny stuff and reality, just plain old family reality vlogs. Sometimes it can be boring sometimes, right? But not everything's exciting, but we'll try our best to entertain everybody with what we do in our lives. And of course, like going out of our way just to like a crazy, scary place. I mean, that's exciting.
My foot's stuck in the floor.
What?
It's stuck in the floor.
How is it stuck in the floor?
I think I just shoved my foot in the floor.
Are you serious? You might want to get it out of there. What? There's a hole in the floor now.
It's always been there.
Oh.
I should have pranked you, and I shouldn't have
Are you
said...
trying to mess with me? All right. That's it. Oh my God, I almost dropped my camera.
I made a farting noise with my shoe, sorry. Oh no, I put another hole in the floor.
Oh no.
Here's what I smoke.
It still looks like we had a New Year's party over here, and we still gotta clean up. It's just that, you know what, we got so much going on. It's like, not everybody has time to clean up after a New Year's party. So we just right, Brianna, we just kind of take our time with it, do it when we can. Life's short. Why just stress out over it? Plus, there's so much going on. We're trying to enjoy ourselves.
Life's too short to stress about anything or anyone.
Yeah, so I mean, we still gotta clean up the New Year's party mess. I mean, we cleaned some of it. We just got more to clean. But that's the reality of things, We'll get to it when we get to it. Here's a big red lobster, Brianna.
Really weird. I think we're in California right now.
Who's in California?
I don't know.
Your friends?
I wish he was my friend.
So, did you try these? They're really good.
Yeah, I've had them. They're lightly salted, but I'm extra salted.
These are good, those tomatoes.
They're nasty.
They're really...
I hate tomatoes.
Oh, do you think these are nasty?
I hate tomatoes from my head to my toes.
I think they're pretty delicious. They're sweet, and they're tomatoey.
And they're disgusting.
I got these trail mix right here.
And those are disgusting.
Figs?
I'm kidding. Those aren't disgusting.
Oh.
But I have good news.
What is the good news?
For everyone.
Make sure you edit out that burp part. Don't remember this part of the video.
Excuse me, sorry.
Edit out the burp part. Okay.
I burped?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. I want to say something real quick. I want to share the whole thing.
What happened? What are you gonna do? Oh wait, I'm like all anxious. So you want to share something with me?
You already know about it.
All right, I know about it. But all of you who are so amazing don't know about it yet.
But
Because it's probably something like we have to keep on a lowdown until we know for sure what's going on. We're going to be running to some awesome people, right? Well, we can't say who they are and where we're going to be at the time because it's going to be a pretty fun event. And we're going to be doing some fun things. But I guess once we figure out more about it, then we can pretty much mention it. But there's some things that we're trying to plan out because we really want to connect with some awesome people, and
yes, we do.
We want to meet, do it like kind of a meet and greet thing too. Maybe some kind of a meet and greet event where we can meet people, and kind of maybe incorporate that into it. You know what I mean? Kind of like add that to everything.
True.
Yeah. Are you brave? Are you brave? Our next mission, Brianna.
Yes, but
our next
every time
mission.
you pull the darn camera out, I'm always on my phone. And the people are always thinking I'm absorbed to my phone. But then there's like those seconds where you put the camera down and I'm just like... And then you pick it up and I'm like... I swear. This happens too much.
Our mission is to find out what that noise is out here, Brianna. Out there. In the back.
Really?
Yeah.
I need to rewash my hair.
Yeah, I can go out there first.
Yeah, you can go get attacked. Oh!
I'm not scared of anything down there, but I'll go first. And you can come behind me with the cameras.
Potty.
You know what I mean? You stay behind me and...
I have some bagel.
We'll go explore. People want us to do it. Our fans want us to go down there. They want us to see what's down there. So...
I didn't stretch, but...
Oh no. What are you gonna do?
Break my thighs.
Oh jeez.
Oh, this is what
Not today.
When you stretch. Oh, let me stretch first.
Oh, yeah.
Look, this is like. Oh, shizzle ma nizzle.
Oh my gosh, we left the stockings on the fireplace. It's like the New Year's is over. We can't leave Christmas stuff out. Isn't it like a bad thing to do?
Got stuck under the TV thing. Hold on.
Oh.
I almost died. Did you see that? I saw it.
I saw that.
Wait, really? Me too. Okay. You remember that time I held my hands in for really long? I want to get to that again. Like, I want to do that again.
This could be a challenge. Like, we should challenge some other YouTubers to try this.
Yeah,
But
for real.
but to do it carefully. Don't like
hurt
fall
yourself.
into the wall or something, or
All right, start a timer.
hit something and break something.
I feel like I need to start a timer. I mean, a stopwatch.
I don't know.
Gosh, just do a stopwatch. Do a stopwatch. Try it.
You got
On
this.
there. Click. Wait, not yet. No!
Ah, okay.
Okay. All right, right when I get up into the air, do it, okay? I'm scared. That one sucked. That was
173.
That one sucked.
Okay.
That wasn't even a second.
Okay.
Oh! Ow! Agony!
Maybe it's best if you don't time yourself. I don't know.
Why?
Because then I think you become too self-conscious of how long it's going to take, and then it distracts your performance.
Oh shoot! Okay. Okay, I got this. I mean, I don't got this, but I got. What was it the same time before? Was it point?
No, it was 273 this time.
Oh.
Oh Jesus!
Okay, when I do the timing, it's worse. Ugh.
I heard it. Did you hear that?
No.
Was that from upstairs?
I don't know, but it's gonna look weird in the back. It's like all sprinkled. Okay. Oh! Okay, should I do it against the wall for a sec? Okay. And then... What was that?
I don't know.
I'm trying to...
I don't know what the heck it is. I heard something. I think we're all just like, every time we hear something, we're like freaking out now. All right, so I have antennas that are leading in from the radio room. I got a connection there. And that leads to that antenna that's up there on the roof. That's for my radio equipment. And then I also have this antenna right there, which there's the piece that's floating in the air. It's off the ground. Got wires that go over that way, wires that go that way. And that antenna there is the one that's able to allow me to communicate all around the world, from here to any part of the world. There's no limit, so that's pretty neat. And the one that's the tall antenna in the sky, that one's more localized, maybe 300-400 miles at the most. But the other one up there that you barely could see, that one, that'll go on for just about infinity, really. And in here I got the radio room, which I'll show you. It's right in here. Oh, the radio. We got somebody in here already. This one's connected to that antenna that's I was showing you, that's floating in the air. And there's actually somebody on here now.
Well, I don't know. I just actually
You hear all that? So I got all this here. That's what communicates all around the world. Have equipment here as well. And then of course, this is a repeater right here, which repeats the signal. Like if I'm using one of these portable radios, then this is going to retransmit this and make it go a lot further. And that's also hooked up into that tall antenna that's on the roof. And these are what you call duplexers that actually take the signal and combine, receive, and transmit into one antenna. So it's a complex system, but that's how this all works in here. Of course, this is the stuff I gotta put away, but all this stuff works. And it sounds like aliens, doesn't it? But that's how it is. So this is the radio room. So I do that a lot, mainly in the winter time when there's not much going on and the kids are in school. And I have a friend of mine, or a few friends of mine, that are into this hobby so much, and a lot of times we'll be trading back and forth radio equipment. It's just how it is. One of my friends might like this particular thing, and then I let him try it, and then I'm trying their particular equipment, and it's like equipment's just going back and forth around here. But that's just the way it is, and it's just a fun thing, really is. And I just feel like when I'm bored, there's nothing to do, and everyone's in school, and I got all my work done, and it's like, I'm gonna go on a ham radio, and that's it.